In this video I'm going to show you how to restring a Craftsman 20 volt string trimmer. First thing to do is remove the battery if it's still installed. If your string trimmer is out of string line, the first thing you need to do is remove this cap, and to do that you press this button down on this side here and the corresponding one on this side here. So press them in and this will pop off, and that will leave the spool right here. Make sure there's no string stuck in here, and we don't have anything in here. Bring in your new 0.065 string line, and you're going to look for these little slots here. There's going to be one on this side and one on this side. This side here is what goes into the ratchet mechanism that releases string when you're using the string trimmer. So on this side here, we need to find one of these. We got one on this side, one on this side. What we're going to do with this slot here is look for the hole on the inside. We're going to slot our string line in here, so it comes out down here, about 3/4 of an inch. We're going to bend that over and put it into the slot here and make sure it comes all the way along to the start. Be a little bit fiddly, like that. And then we're going to rewind our string line in the direction of this arrow. So we're going to spin this to the left and make sure the string line goes on in the same direction as this arrow, which is pointing this way. So our string line needs to go this way. Now that we have the string line wound on, hold it in place while you bring in your string trimmer. Bring the string trimmer in and then thread the string line through the hole that's over here. Make sure that you put the ratchet mechanism face down. It will line up with this mechanism here. We put the string line through the eyelet and over that center pin. Make sure it's seated correctly all the way down, like that. Twist it if you need to. Bring in the cap, then put the cap back on. It'll click into place. And that's how to rewind the string line on this Craftsman 20 volt string trimmer.